I know that there are many teachers who use their mobile devices to teach their online classes. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how to grade student work using your mobile device. We look at 3 common types of assignments and how to annotate and grade them. There's a student version of this tutorial that you may want to share with your classes. I'll link it up here as well as in the description box below. My name is Hazel Ann Butcher and I make videos to help make online learning easy and fun for teachers and students. Please consider subscribing to my channel if this is something that interests you. Let's get right into the content. Go to the Classwork tab in your Google Classroom app. Click on the assignment that you want to grade. This first assignment is a document. Look for the arrow in a square at the top right-hand corner. This will open the assignment in your Google Docs app. See that pencil on the bottom right-hand corner? Tap on it and you'll be able to edit the doc. If I tap the plus sign, I can insert an image from my photo gallery. I'll choose this cute sun sticker. Tapping on it will import it into my document. I'll also add a short comment with a thumbs up emoji. And I'll also highlight it to make it easy for my students to see. To save my changes, I'll click on the check mark, then the back arrow to take me back to Google Classroom. I'll add my grade and a quick comment and then hit return. My student will be notified that I've graded her work and will see my comments on Google Classroom as well as in her documents. A quiz assignment is one of the easiest to grade, especially if you've set it up as self-grading. All you have to do is navigate to the live form, click the pencil to enter the edit mode. Click responses, then individual, and you'll be able to see your students' scores. Go back to Google Classroom, add in the grade, and hit return. The last type of assignment is when students submit pictures of their work. Click the pen tool at the top right-hand corner to open the picture in edit mode. You can use the annotation menu at the bottom of the screen to choose a pen or to input text. If you have a stylus, it's even easier. Use the pen tool just as you would use a regular pen. When you're finished marking, click the floppy disk icon to save your changes and return to Google Classroom. Record your grade and click return. Those were some easy ways to annotate and grade your student work using your phone or tablet. In an upcoming video, I'll go over how to plan lessons that are mobile device friendly. I'm curious though, how many of your students use their phone or tablet for online classes? Tell me in the comments below. Until next time, God bless.